For example, here example is 142. We need to check whether it is divided by 2 or not. Okay, since 2 means 2 power 1, 2 power 1 means n equal to 1, so last digit, only one digit should be taken. Okay, so in second example, it should be divided by 4. 4 means 2 square. Okay, 2 square. Here n equal to 2, n equal to 2 means we need to check with last two digits of the number, that means 64. Okay, and third example, 8. 8 means 2 cube. Okay, in 2 cube, that means 3 digits, so last 3 digits should be checked. If last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then whole number is divisible by 8. Let's check it out. Here 824 means, of course, 824 is divided by 8.